Hello my friends traders, Carolina Lizan here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Thursday, May 19th of 2011, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. And what a beautiful doji we're having here right after we hit that 8 moving average, which we talked about here yesterday, which was sitting at the 58.33 mark. So we are beautifully hitting it here today, and we pulled back down, closing the day below the 8 moving average as well as below that area of resistance right here, the 58.31. So we are still in a bearish territory according to the 8 moving average. We are still closing below it. And what we need to pay really close attention to tomorrow is that 8 moving average, which is again sitting at the 58.33 mark, as well as that upper area of resistance right here, the 58.31 mark. So keep an eye on those because they are really important areas to pay attention to. And what else we need to look at? We need to also look at that thick blue trend line going down, which is a significant area of resistance as well. On our way up, if we had higher than the 8 moving average, the 58.33 mark, and then if we closed above it, we could head all the way up to that next area of resistance up here where that blue thick trend line is. So watch it really carefully as well, because we could get there, we could hit it and pull back down, heading lower, breaking through that lower area of support right here, the 57.90 mark, as well as the low of today, which is at the 57.85. And then if we ever close below both of them, the 57.90 as well as the 57.85 mark, then we could head lower back to that 50-day moving average, which is at the 57.30 mark, as well as that lower area of support down below at 57.18. And then if we ever break through both of them and close below it, we could head lower to that next area of support down below where you see that other blue trend line on my chart, which is acting as a significant area of support at this moment. So watch all of the support and resistance areas that I showed you here today, and also pay close attention to the MACD, which is slowing down a little bit. We're still slightly above the zero line. We're trying to head lower and get to the zero line, but we're still above it. We're slowing down a little bit here on the MACD with another negative tick. We're getting another negative tick here, even though we're going up and heading up on our chart. We're still getting a negative tick on the MACD. But as you can see, it's a little bit slower than the one from yesterday. So we are slowing down on the MACD, getting ready for a major move one way or the other. And check this out. See, we talked about it yesterday. Look at the volume decreasing significantly. So what we have here going on our volume is that we are way below the average. So we are trading, we are going up on really light volume. So keep an eye on the volume bars here as well to look for confirmation. All right, so have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.